Hello, I'm Matteo from Italy. Because they offer methods of growing food that works with nature instead of against it. Regenerative farming practices replicate and accelerate beneficial ecosystem processes that are vital to the health of air, water, soil, and ultimately supporting global biodiversity.
Hello, I'm Jeroen from Belgium. It starts with support and strong examples. Farmers are most inspired by other farmers, especially when they see success and know that help is available.
Hello, I'm Irena from Croatia. One of the best ways is through hands-on local experiences. Community gardens, like my Terra Mira garden, can become learning hubs, hosting workshops, expert talks, and even food festivals. These events make soil knowledge fun, visual, and practical, helping people understand how healthy soil connects to the food we eat, the air we breathe, and the environment we live in.
Join us
In restoring soil health.
By signing the Mission Soul Manifesto.